guys, trying to make a download YouTube video about playing. Yeah.
Hi there. I'm playing with my car. I am playing in my room. Are you boyfriend?
Okay, time to download it. Next, we need to accept. And first, we need this video player is over there. Now I'm going to save this over there. Then go over to YouTube and then upload the video. How this download this works. I'm going to download this logic. Then perfect. And then it's done. Look at it over there. There, it's done now. And then, and last, then it starts the movie. So start the beginning. If I upload this YouTube, now we're going to my YouTube now.
Hi there.
And this is my new friends.
I'm playing with my car. I am playing.
Alright, this is my done. Now it's over. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.